Here's a quick video where I will show you both on the desktop using Facebook in a web browser, as well as on, in this case I showed it on the iPhone, how to find the content that you deleted on Facebook and what you can do with it when you find it. Now, by the way, before I show you how to do this, if you like this channel, it's helpful, subscribe to the channel. There's more coming. If this video helped you, hit the like button so I know you saw it. And furthermore, if you have any question at all, just comment on the video and ask me a question. I'll answer it for you. All right, I'm going to start with desktop. On desktop, this is how you do it. Start right here. Click on your picture right here, and I think it's under Settings and Privacy. Under Settings and Privacy, click on Activity Log. Then there it is on the left. It's kind of hidden over here. There's what I've archived. There's my trash. And there's profile photo and tag review. I want to go to trash. In trash, there are two. On the 27th of this year, I deleted something. On August 24th today, I deleted something. So I can view it, and I can hit the three dots. And the three dots, I can move it to archive, which means hang on to it. Restore it to profile, which means bring it back. Or I can delete it permanently. If I don't do anything with it at all, it will go away, in this case, 29 days, and this will go away tomorrow. Now, I'll show you how to do the same thing on the mobile app. You know, sometimes we post stuff on Facebook, and then we delete it, and then we wonder, wow, maybe I didn't want to delete it. How do we get it back? Well, there's a way to get it back within 30 days. Let me show you how to do that. Click on your profile picture here. Click on the three lines, the three little dots over here, and then you can go down to Activity Log. In Activity Log, right there it is, Archive and Trash. Click on Trash, and there is the content that I deleted today. And if I want to bring it back, click the three dots, and I can either view it, move it to archive, restore it to my profile, or delete it permanently at this point. Let me show you one more time because it's a little tedious. Facebook does not make it easy. Click on your profile picture, click on the three dots in the upper right-hand corner, click on Activity Log, click in Trash, and there's the content. Again, you can hit the three dots, view it, archive it, restore it, or delete it. Hey, I'm Teddy. I'm all about helping you overcome the risks and fears of using technology, and I hope this is helpful for you.